In this video, I'll be showing you how to animate subtitles in Premiere Pro. First, select all of your captions from the subtitle track. Go to the Properties tab, then set the Align and Transform zone to the middle. This isn't always necessary, but for the common effects, it will make the process much easier. Head to the top and select Graphics and Titles. Then choose to upgrade captions to graphic. Go down and select one of your subtitles, then go to the Effect Controls panel and go to the Vector Motion effect. You can use or add other effects, but for this tutorial, I'll be creating a bounce-in effect. Move the playhead to the start, then click the stopwatch for scale. Set the scale to about 80, then use your right arrow key to move forward 3 keyframes. Set the scale to 100, then move forward another 4 or 5 keyframes. Set the scale to 90. Play the effect to make sure you're happy with it. Alternatively, you can just select all of your subtitles and drag on an animation preset. You can get my subtitle animation presets from my store. The link will be in the description. Now, you can right-click on the keyframes and add an easing style. You can also click the arrow here to manually adjust the animation curves to your liking. These essentially control how the speed of the animation ramps up and slows down. Easing out starts the animation slow and speeds up over time, while easing in starts fast, then slows down as the animation comes to an end. Select where it says Vector Motion, then press Ctrl-C or Command-C on a Mac. Head down and select all of the captions, then press Ctrl-V or Command-V to apply the animation to all your subtitles. To save your animation, right-click on the Vector Motion effect, then choose to Save Preset. Give your preset a name, then choose the type. This affects how the animation is applied. As the animation will normally be at the start of your subtitle, you will want to select Anchor to Endpoint. Click OK. To use your preset, select all of your subtitles. Then go to the Effects panel and drag your new preset onto the subtitles. You now know how to animate subtitles in Premiere Pro. Please leave a like.